Hey, it's Lizette, and I'm going to show you how to color change your yarn like you see on this little doll, how he goes from gray to the white. In case you were wondering, his name is Seymour Sloth, because you'll see more money when you use him, because he's a coin purse. This is a very useful technique to use for color changing, because with him, if I would have done his face as a separate piece, there would have been the gray for his head, then the white layer, and then the eye. So when I went to click his eyes on, I would have had to go through the brown layer, then the white layer, and then the gray. It was way too thick. I'll put the link for his pattern below. So here we have one more stitch to do of the first color. So let's do our last stitch of the first color. And now it wants you to change to the next color. So we're going to go in, pull up a loop. So this is the first color. Let go of the first color. Grab your new color. Leave about 4 inches. Grab that with your hook and pull that through. So you basically are finishing the stitch with the new color, but starting it with the first color. So now take your scissors, cut that first color, leaving about the same length of a tail as the new color. So now you have these two tails. We're gonna actually crochet over them so you don't have to sew them in later, which I hate doing. So pull everything tight, and then whatever the pattern calls for, you just keep going in your new color. And as you go, you are crocheting over those two tail ends. And you see how I covered the whole tail. Just that little bit is left there, but it's fine. And now, like my pattern, let's say you have to switch back to the first color. Okay, so we switch to the new color. Now we want to go back to this first color. Same thing. Go into the next hook that you want the new color in. Pull up a loop. So you have 2 loops with the old color. Let go of this first color. Grab the new color, just like we did before. Leave about 4 inches of a tail. Grab that with your hook and finish your single crochet with the new color. Pull them both tight. Cut the tail of the old color. And can pull everything tight again. And sew over those 2 tail ends like we did before. See that? So that row we just did is going to be that first row on his face here. See that? Thanks for watching.
Are you not entertained? Are you not entertained? Is this not why you are here?